That's my eyeliner. He said I look like I'm going to war. I am dying to see what he looks like. I hope I don't run away from myself. Hi guys, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? We are back with another challenge. Welcome to our channel if it's your first time watching, and if it's not your first time watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because it will be worth it and you'll thank me later. We are back with another challenge, and today we'll be doing the husband does my makeup tag. We'll be doing the husband does my makeup challenge, and I am so looking forward to this because baby's going to beat my face. Okay, right, babe?
I'll try.
So baby's going to do my makeup, so I'm not gonna chit chat anymore because he's so nervous.
I'm okay.
So to get rid of his nervousness, just let's jump straight into this video. Hopefully you guys will enjoy and watch babe beat my face. Okay, so let's go. Ready, babe?
Let's see what I can do.
Don't drip anything on me though. But wait, I'm not supposed to be seeing myself in the camera, so I won't be able to look in the camera right now.
Don't look at the camera.
Babe, I look like you're using so much. Oh my god.
How does that work?
Normally I would use 2 foundation to get my right color, my right tone.
I don't know how this works.
So that is why he's using 2 different shades of foundation. But it feels like they're running down my face. It feels like my face is a river right now. Yes, honey. I'm going to laugh too much.
Ready to go out tonight?
Have a date.
Yes, you have Wow.
Why look, babe?
Ah, you look good. I just don't know how to when to stop here and a little put here. You look different already.
Is that good or bad?
No way, I don't do anything stupid. Alright.
Guys, how is my foundation coming on? Because I can't look. I'm not supposed to look until he's finished. Now what you're gonna do?
I'm gonna finish your foundation. I'm gonna use this.
Okay, she's actually using a soft focus powder.
Looks like I'm in 6th grade and paint classes. Okay, for your eyes, close it.
It's closed.
Your mouth too. I'm gonna do your eyes. I'm gonna do
Okay.
your eyes. So just looking
Where
at-
on my eyes you gonna do now?
I'm gonna do you this part first.
The eyebrow?
Yeah, so you have 2 fingers.
2 fingers?
2 fingers, you have 2 pencils. You have a
No.
brown pencil and you have a black pencil. So, wow, that's harder than what I thought. That's harder than.
Remember, you can press on the pencil.
Oh Lord. Because at the same time, you don't want to touch your face because.
It's okay, it won't mess up.
Oh Lord.
Lord have mercy.
Oh, it's like bad moment.
Jeez. I'm dying to see what I look like when you finish.
You will look like a jockey. I was patting myself for the first part, but oh lord. Oh, it's not finished.
I feel like my face is gonna be crazy. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. The way his hand is moving, I can tell it's a disaster. I want to look in the camera so bad.
Oh, Lord. That's harder than what I thought.
It's tempting me to look in the camera.
No, that's just very hard.
I want to cry.
Oh, no.
Oh my god.
That's terrible.
Wait, you guys, how am I coming on?
That's terrible.
It is?
Oh Lord.
So why are you using your left hand and you're not left-handed?
Because I can't do like this.
Yes, you can. Turn my face around. You're not left-handed, my love.
Left-handed or right-handed, the result is the same.
Guys, you tell me how am I?
Oh, you're not good.
What you gonna do now?
I'm trying to find something to rub.
What? Something to rub? I want to look in this camera so bad. Oh, you're going to use the concealer to correct my eyebrows.
Oh Lord.
So he's correcting my brows right now, you guys.
There's a lot of correction. Don't laugh because you laugh and moving. If the result is bad, it's because of you.
Show them which color you're gonna
I have
use.
different color. I don't know which one.
You have
maybe
another one too.
no, maybe I can use some blue color.
What you do? Use something bright. Okay.
Alright, some blue.
He's using blue eyeshadow.
Okay, not bad.
Okay, you guys, so that's my eyeshadow. I can't look at the camera. How am I looking, you guys? Cute?
To put something under your eyes.
Don't stick me in my eye, baby. I trust you.
No.
I trust you not to stick me in my eye.
Right. Oh no. She looked like someone who's gonna play soccer, and because of the light or because she wants to go to war, she puts black thing. Look at me. Yeah, you look like someone who put black things before to go to war. Well, that's a fail, but that's a fail for this.
Okay, you guys, so that's my eyeliner. He said I look like I'm going to war. I am dying to see what it looks like. I hope I don't run away from myself.
That's what they call mascara?
Yes, that's mascara. Oh, I laugh too much, I'm gonna cry.
Right.
Okay. Mascara time, don't stick me in my eye, baby,
How do you use? You have to close your eyes?
No, I have to open my eyes.
How about? Don't move, you move too much.
Cause I want to laugh.
Yeah, but you want to laugh, you move too much. Don't move.
Wait.
Don't move.
I'm gonna laugh too much.
Yeah, but don't
Cause
move.
I'm crying. I can't not move.
Yeah, but that's make my
Alright, baby, don't do it no more.
Oh.
Wait, I feel it going on my teeth. Wait, baby.
Do that. You mess up my walk.
I'm laughing too much.
Yeah, but you mess up my walk. It's on your teeth now because you're moving. Do that. Do that. I clean it. I clean it after. Do that. Come on.
Oh, I'm crying. Wait, baby, I have to stop laughing or else it's gonna be ruined.
Yeah, right. Do that. Look at me. No, do that. That would be easier. Right. Okay.
He's using the finishing spray to make sure everything stays in place. Stop now.
Alright, so look in front of the camera, I mean.
Okay, you guys, so that's the finished look. I still haven't seen it yet, but I can feel that my face is on fleek. I know he did a really good job.
So if anyone wants me to do the makeup, feel free to ask. And I'm not gonna charge you a lot.
I'm afraid to open my eyes. Can I open? Okay, my eyes is open, but I'm afraid to.
You can open it, so.
But I actually look cute. I actually look cute. You look better than I expected. Look at my eyebrows. Good job, babe.
Thank you. I think I put too much blue. The blue is too much. I think needed.
So why this one blue is up and this one blue is down?
This one is okay. Is this one I put too much?
No, this one would be okay. It's just that if you had done this one the same way you did this one.
Yeah, but I prefer this one. I don't like when it's too much. I think I put too much pink too. Your pink showing too much.
A pink on fleek.
Oh yeah.
A pink tone up, you guys.
And your eyes red too.
Because I've been laughing so much.
Yeah,
you guys, my face is on fleek and I love it. I'm going to go out on the I'm going to go out on the road just like this in a bit. I love my makeup. Baby's going to start doing my makeup as of today. Right, babe?
Yeah.
You earned it. You earned it.
Yeah,
you got the job.
I got the job. I passed the interview.
Yeah.
Passed the test.
You did well.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, you guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and tell babe how well he did down in the comment section. And yeah, he beat my face. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and catch up and keep up with us, and stay tuned for a lot more challenge and go and catch up with all our family vlogs. We love you guys. Thank you for always supporting. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.